Most businesses don't think of themselves as a chemical company. But the truth is, every business interacts with chemicals, whether you realize it or not. From the products you create, to the materials your suppliers use, even the cleaning products in your office, chemicals are everywhere. The choices you make about those chemicals can make or break your sustainability goals. The chemicals you use, or better yet, the chemicals you choose, hold the key to protecting people and the planet and safeguarding your reputation. But here's the challenge. You can't make informed decisions about chemicals if you don't know what's in your products, processes, or supply chain. For most businesses, this information is hidden, buried deep in supply chains, or difficult to access and understand. Without chemical transparency, harmful substances can go unnoticed until it's too late. It's a risk no one can afford in today's world. That's where Enhesa Sustainable Chemistry comes in. How do we help? Our tools make understanding chemicals easier, empowering your business with transparency. Identify the chemicals in your products, processes, and supply chains. Insights. Understand the impact of those chemicals on people and the planet. Confidence. Make informed choices for safer and more sustainable alternatives. With Enhesa Sustainable Chemistry, your business can lead in sustainability, protecting people, safeguarding our planet, and strengthening your brand. The future depends on the choices you make today. A safer world starts with safer chemicals. Learn more at enhesa.com.